And there is an option for our Indian aircraft operators to fly from Kannur to any destination. It is all open. Only for the foreign carriers to come to that place, you need the point of call. So there is no complete restriction as such that without point of call, you can't travel internationally. The Indian airline operators can travel to these destinations. And you also have to keep in mind, sir, that the point of call is given between the geopolitical relations is also taken into account between these two countries. And you have to see that India has so many airports now, you can't open all the airports to point of call, and you can't fly to one or two destinations in that country also. These are certain things that we also have to keep in mind, that when you want to open a country to all the locations, then you have to have an equal level playing field. And for Kerala Airport, you already have 3 points of call. And definitely, if the time arises, and if the need arises, and if both the countries agree, then we will keep it as a point of call.
Thank you. Last supplementary on question number 1. माननीय धर्मशिला गुप्ता जी।
आपका आभार आदरणीय उपाध्यक्ष महोदय। गुजरात के सूरत और अहमदाबाद जैसे मुख्य शहरों में हमारे बिहार के लाखों